In this Rhino tutorial, we'll learn how to make a earring like this. Let's get started. So I'll start using the front or right view, doesn't really matter. And I'll draw a simple curve. This shape is not very important. You'll see why in a second, because we'll get rid of it. It is important, but not. We won't see it visually. We'll see its volume. You'll see. So I could just go like this. Right click to end. You could change a little bit the design if you want. So it's a little bit more like fat on the bottom. And then we can go revolve. So revolve is like turning something on the lathe. Start 0, hold shift, and enter and enter. So now we have this shape. Control Shift E. And if I want to draw on this surface, there's a tool called Curve, Freeform, Interpolate on Surface. It's very neat. It means that you drop a point. So I'll go maybe at the top. And the second point will always stick to the surface, you see? So the second point, I'll drop it here, just before it snaps. And then you can tell him how many turns. I usually just right click by default. And now I don't need the surface anymore. So I can get rid of the surface. That's okay. It's telling me that there's no more recording. And I don't need this one anymore. So the only thing I need is this. And here I'll do a pipe to give it thickness. So the beginning of the pipe, actually I'll make it quite thin. You'll see why. Oops, sorry. Let me redo the pipe. Voila. I'll press Alt, so it's really thin. Something like this. The second piece will be quite thin too. So press Alt so you don't snap. Voila. And here we want something more common. So it's going to go thin to the man. And here maybe it's better to type the diameter that you want. So let's try 0.1 or 15 actually. And let's try another 0.15 here. Somewhere here. So we go thin to thick. And we'll go 0.15. Enter, enter. So you see, now I went from very thin. I could have put this one here. To here I like it. To get a few copy of this, we can select the pipe and go Array Polar. Polar means on an angle, circular copy. Center 0, number of items 6, enter. So 0 to 360, enter. But you should not have to change this. Voila. So now we've got the earring. Maybe we could have put even 8. Let's redo it. Right click, 0, 8, enter, enter. So it's 360 and 360. And to finalize the design, we could do a little cylinder at the top. So CYL, 0, hold, press Alt so you don't snap. And then you want the height, so it'll be very little, like this. Then we can move it up. And as long as they touch, you don't even have to do Boolean difference. The 3D print will melt them. So I think it would look nicer if it's a hair wider. Voila. And to attach the pin, you could go torus and just eyeball a torus. It's fine. That's maybe a bit big. Voila. You have to make sure that the diameter is works with your printer. And we could Boolean trim this if we want to do a really good job. We could go Boolean difference from here with this. No, what I want here, I'll leave it. We can do trim many things. You could just scale it in. It's not that I don't want to show you, I just want to keep the design very simple. Voila. So now if we look in rendered, we've got it.